forward, right? Create an EC2 instance in the private subnet. So we need to like create an EC2 instance in the private subnet of the lab VPC. So now for the name, we need to enter this. So go back, type EC2 instance. It's coming up. Okay, I think it's here. Click on launch. Click on launch. Right. Enter this name. We're using the same EMI T2 micro. Keep here. Choose this. Keep here. Right. So enter this name. Right. Network setting, you edit, specify the private security group, create a unique security group, source type, choose custom. Okay, so let's proceed. Sorry, it's coming up. Let's give it some time. Okay. Okay, where is it taking? Okay, so okay, T2 micro, we have it. What is it? Is it? T2 micro. Keep here. Don't forget. You need to like select this. Now, why are they saying? Okay. So let's take a step back. We need to create a new keeper. Name this. So let's create it here. So create a new keeper. Click on this guy. This is pen piece. If you want to use putty, you use this. I'm using pen. So create it. So I have it on my local, so I'll select it here instead. Okay, so and download it. Okay. So edit this networking settings. Oh, sorry. Edit networking settings. Edit it. Okay. Lab VPC. Make sure you select private subnet. Private. Okay. Private. Create SG and call it this. Create it. Create it and call it this. No. Okay. So scroll down. Add it. Okay. SSH. Source type. Custom case. That was what they said. Port. Enter 22. Okay, it's here by default. Okay. For source, choose the Bastion or security group. Bastion or security group. Bastion or security group here. Okay, as a source. I think that will be all right. So let's just check. Fire BBC private source custom unfortunately choose the bastion. Okay. So I just want to be sure I'm selecting the bastion of security group. Okay, I did. Then launch instance please. Okay, it's coming up. Task 7. Configure your SSH client for SSH pass-through. Just created uses different KPI than the bastion. You must configure your SSH client. So, okay. Okay. So this is for Microsoft Windows users only. I'm using Linux, so sorry, I have to follow this. To add your private key to the keychain application, use the SSH key add. So I'm moving to my directory, my download directory, to do this. Okay. What's the name of that KPI again? The name is lab user. Lab. Okay. So I'm using Linux, right? Sorry, where am I even coming from? So I'm using Linux. I have to like locate the command that would work for me. So for the keys, I need to add this add, right, and add a new one I just downloaded. As this. Yes. So I need to run this command. So I can check, I can see. So let me clear this. Moving forward, so to connect to an instance in a private subnet, enter the following command: bastion IP address EC2 instance. After you're connected to the bastion host to use. Okay. So to connect to an instance in it, so we need to run this command. So now we need to connect to an instance in the private subnet. Enter the following. So we need to first enter this command to connect to the bastion IP. So specify this, then use the bastion IP address. You can get that from the bastion. Use it, specify it. Then once you get in, right, make sure you follow this step, like adding these pen keys. So once you're done with that, you can now SSH into the private instance. So from my own terminal, right, I'm inside my bastion, and you see that 10.0111, that's my bastion. And from my bastion, I was able to like run this command to SSH into my private subnet, which is now 217. Okay, so testing the connection from the bastion host. Connect to the bastion host by using a key. Connect to the private. Okay, I've done this actually. So now you're connected to the EC2 instance in the private subnet. Command to ping. Okay, let's do this. Let's run this command. Paste it. Okay. We need to exit that because it's going to be running forever. So you have now established a communication between the bastion host in the public subnet and the EC2 instance in the private subnet. Okay, new business requirement: enhance the security layer. So now task 9, and this is a lot, so I think this is the final one. In this task we need to create a network ACL. Okay, so for this challenge, you create an EC2 instance in the public subnet. Okay, go to the Amazon VPC and expect the default network ACL of the lab VPC. Okay, we should go to where exactly? Go to the VPC and expect default. Okay, so this is the VPC. No, sorry, this is the route table. Okay. Can you see it here? Main network is here. So now, note the subnet I created automatically actually with the default, the inbound and of the default. So now create a custom network here. Call it this for the VPC. So now go back. Network ACL. Create VPC lab. Great. Okay. Great. Okay, now we have it.